In this segment, we're going to discuss and demonstrate how to install your rack rail bracket accessory. Inside the package, you should have 2 rack rail back plates, as well as 2 rack rail top plates, and a bag of hardware. So your kit does come with 2 sets of rack rails, so you can utilize it either on the left or the right side of your shield, or both sides of the shields. We're going to be installing this on the back side of our shield to the shooter's right. Here we have hardware. We'll get the 3 female screws for the back plate, and also the 3 male screws that are going to drop through the front plate. Almost identical installation as we did with the weapon support brackets. So we're going to take this top plate, and we're going to insert these female threaded backplate screws through each of the 3 holes. There's 1, there's 2, and 3. So we're going to locate where on the shield that we want to place this rack rail. For this demonstration, I'm just going to choose the second slot here. I got 1, 2 to begin inserting the back plate as we weave it through the molly. Skipping through every other loop. And at some point you're going to see that we have the exposed screw hole in 3 locations. Now we're going to place the back plate on top, or the front plate on top of the back plate. We want to make sure that the rail edge here is on the outer portion of the shield. This is incorrect if it's on the inner. We want to make sure that this rail is on the outside edge of the shield. We'll line up our screw holes. Place our male threaded screws in place. Then we're going to tighten those down with a Phillips head screwdriver. And the installation of our rack rail is complete. This is a demonstration of the rack rail system. When using the rack rail, we want to make sure that we blade the shield from our body at about a 45-degree angle. That way, when we place our sights along the edge of the rack rail, that our pistol or our weapon is downrange or towards that threat, or you can cant it even down towards the ground for safety purposes. We're going to pull back. Again, bring the sights right on the ledge of the rack rail, allowing you to cycle that weapon back and forth to clear malfunctions or to drop your slide during a reload. The rack rail can also be utilized in the same manner with the patrol rifle, placing that charging handle right on the lip of that edge. Pull back. And again, you'll be able to charge that weapon or clear that malfunction.